and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over the AutoSum feature. You can find the AutoSum feature on your Home tab all the way up here. It's a very quick and easy feature to use. Let's get started. So let's say that we want to add up all the sales of Q1. All you have to do in order to add up all the sales of Q1, leave your cursor here, click AutoSum, and that will automatically guess which numbers you want to add up. If you're satisfied with the selection that it's made, all you have to do is click enter. In order to double check, all you have to do is go into the formula bar and you can see that the proper cells are selected. One shortcut of using the AutoSum feature is hitting Alt and equal sign at the same time. So you can hit Alt equals, it selected the AutoSum feature, captured all the numbers above it, press enter, and there you have it. You can also drag across to autofill. And bonus tip, you can also autofill the months. You can see the preview of the months going down. Let's go all the way to December, let go, and there you have it. The months have been updated. AutoSum function can also not only add up all your numbers, but can also average, count the numbers, find the maximum and the minimum. Let's click average, and it changes the formula to an average formula. Press enter. And that's it. The AutoSum function is super easy and helps with your efficiency. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.